Welcome back to the channel and a walk about the Taal Monument and Museum. Visitor Center. The Taal Monument, or Paarl, is only about an hour's drive along the N2 or National Road from Cape Town. In the winter you'll see snow in the mountains. I believe that's Remishoek. Oh, look at that. Game of chess. Again, Franschhoek in the mountains. And the Paarl Rock right here, we're on it, and there's another one. Let's go up there because we can. Yellowwood trees and damn it, I'd only learned to pull that trigger once and hold it. What is it with strimmers? They have to make that wang, 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 like they're revving a motorbike. Can't stop fiddling with it. And there's the amphitheatre down there I was telling you about. Orchards and vineyards down below. Some really nice walks up to that boulder up the top. Batholithic granite boulder. And the tectonics indicate here that this was at one time quite a unstable region, like earthquakey region, because those sort of boulders are pushed up through the magma or through the crust of the earth from the magma, and that's what we're seeing now. That's what this monument was built on. There's a volcanic extrusion or boulder of granite.
Peaceful up here, nice lovely scenery.
There's the car park and the restaurant here at Taal Monument.
Got a nice place to.
And would you believe Table Mountain itself in person, dead ahead. Lion's Head to the right, and then Devil's Peak to the left.
It's just a shame that the Afrikaners were Dutch extract. It made them very stubborn and dead.
Here's a short explanation that you can have a look at later, or pause the screen. see what I mean by the olive trees. They're everywhere. You can see this was founded by Afrikaners. They know their way around or what to do. Olives grow well here. I don't know about export, but I certainly consume a lot of them, and I pick them myself. It's cheaper that way. Not too shabby, eh? Look at that.